welcome to my channel. These are the products that I will be using today. This is my client. He requested 2-strand twists, so we're gonna just dive right on into it and get straight to it. As far as men twist, I do suggest doing a braid first and then start twisting, because to me it does last a lot longer. Everyone tends to do the twist very differently, and this is my method. Now when twisting, I am using both products at the same exact time. It helps me be able to slide right through the braids and the twist. In the end, I will be adding rubber bands. As you can see, I already added rubber bands to the braids that I already did so far. While twisting, I am making sure to twist it to the very end if I possibly can. This style, I charge $85 for this style, and this style includes a wash and a blow dry and a free trim. When parting, as you can see the sections, how I section one side of the head off and to the other side is sectioned as well. I'm starting off with the part in the middle because it allows me to know exactly the amount of braids I need to have on both sides for them to look even and equally. Everyone's hair is different depending on the texture of the hair, so some people twist might look a little bit different than others. Some people twist is a little bit thicker, some people twist is a little thinner due to the texture and the density of their hair. You can see we are moving over to the other side. My client hair is super thick, but once I start twisting his hair, it does look a lot thinner due to how much hair I am grabbing as I do the twist. Is the hardest part of doing any hairstyle. I'm just gonna say that and leave that right there with you guys. Can't relate, you just can't relate. You pay attention how many times I go over this part to make sure it's equaling up with the other side. It sometimes can get very stressful. Be patient and don't give up. Moving extra hair out the way can help, and also adding the product. Using the braiding gel for this, it's more of a thicker paste and it's gonna allow me to be able to control the hair a lot better. Add that, I am going to go back over the part to make sure that it's cleaned up exactly how I need it to be, just in order to make sure that I have the same amount of braids on this side on the right side. This should be the last part, because once I put the product on there, it just makes my life a lot more easier. You guys are parting hair and not using products in between parting, but that is so important. The key to a successful part. Now we're gonna go ahead and start this side. I'm gonna go ahead and part it straight down the middle, move the other side out the way, and add a little bit more product and start off with the braid once again. Once I do that, I'm going to go right into the twist. We'll be repeating the same pattern over and over again, so I want you guys to pay close attention to the video. I will be zooming in so you can see a lot closer and a lot better. If you guys have any questions, I suggest you comment down below. If you guys would like to see a different tutorial, I would also like for you guys to comment down below to let me know what you guys would like to see. This style does take me about 45 minutes if you guys are interested. I am located here in Las Vegas, accept all new clients. Now let's get back to it. Now the only thing about this hairstyle is I feel as though your hair needs to be at least 4 inches in order for this style to look nice on your hair. If you have really short hair and you are requesting to get a style like this, I will advise you that your hair will not hang as long as his. This is my client about 50th time coming to sit in my chair to receive this service. He does do a lot of different styles when he come in, but I decided to do a tutorial on teaching you guys how to do the 2-strand men twist. I get a lot of men requesting this style, so I decided to do a YouTube video showing you guys how to do it. I will be speeding the rest of this video up, and you guys stay tuned and let me know what you think at the end of this video. Observation before you had all them boys. I'm just doing you and stop. Yeah, I saw it as soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Stay from me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. No, nothing at all. No, I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did. Don't think you care about me. Now we are all done with the twist. I'm gonna go ahead and add rubber bands to the end of the twist. That way the twist will not unravel. It will help it last a lot longer. I'm gonna use this hair mousse. This is my favorite one. I will leave the description of this product down below. Once you add the product, you are gonna rub the product all the way through, all over the place, making sure not to miss a spot because the mousse helps lay down all the flyaways. Go ahead and add a wig cap. This is my method of making sure that the hair is laid down and it gives it a nice, neat, and clean look once removing the wig cap. I'm gonna run the blow dryer over it for a few minutes, and this is the outcome. And Jets, I advise you guys to comment down below and tell me what you think. Take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact too.